Hi, I'm James Gertie, and most of you probably know me as Gertie Got It. For the last year and a half, I've been making videos that have gone all over the world, and the number one question that I've been asked is, how do I do this? Where can I learn how to do this? Can you teach me? Can you show me? Well, I'm excited to announce that this week we're launching a Patreon where I'm going to be doing just that. With this subscription, you'll be getting weekly live streams, accompanying workflows, and guides to help you along your way. I'll also be opening up a Discord server where our higher tier patrons can receive technical support from myself, as well as enter into collaboration opportunities down the road. The main thing we'll be focusing on will be Comfy UI, Stable Diffusion, and Animate Diff, as those are primarily what I use and what you've seen across the videos that I make. However, we'll also be doing explorative sessions where we test out new tools that are just released so you can stay up to date all the time on all the new Gen AI tools coming out. I've already prepared the first workflow and guide to help you get set up for our first live stream next week. Hope to see you there.